Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we demystify the professional content creation process. Today, I want to show you a powerful workflow that lets you create eye-catching branded content without needing a massive studio, a huge budget, or even a full production team behind you. We are going to mix a few creative tools to generate stunning product visuals with your own logo on them, and then turn those into short, polished videos. The real secret sauce is using Vizard to slice those long, messy walkthroughs into ready-to-post clips, and then scheduling them all from one centralized dashboard. It is the exact combo I have been using lately, and honestly, it saves so much time while making your website and social channels look incredibly premium. It truly does not matter if you run a fast-paced SaaS company, sell supplements, or print unique graphics on t-shirts. This specific workflow works for everyone. Imagine a hero section on your website showing your product in action. A water bottle being poured, a sleek bike gliding through the frame, or a t-shirt on a model. You get those motion-first, high-production vibes without ever having to book a professional studio or hire a camera crew. For inspiration, think of big brands that already do this perfectly. Those supplement hero shots where people pour the product, or e-commerce sites showing their logo stamped on a product. That logo detail is what makes an image feel legitimate and branded, rather than something that looks obviously computer-generated. Our main goal is to capture that feeling, believable, tactile, and completely on brand. Here's the toolset I love to mix. Midjourney for generating high-quality visuals, Recraft for applying logos, and Magic Path for prototyping. Midjourney is lightning fast at producing variations, while Recraft absolutely nails the product mockup and 3D wrap look. But when it comes to turning that raw footage into dozens of engaging social clips, that is exactly where Vizard really shines. Let me walk you through the flow I personally use, starting with scouting references for my mockups. If I am building mockups for an e-bike, I will check competitor product pages to steal good framing and perspectives. Don't be shady, just learn what shots communicate value. Screenshots of full side shots, front views, and dynamic 3/4 angles are absolute gold for your references. I paste those into Midjourney as image prompts, asking for a product shot with professional studio lighting and a clean background. Sometimes I will tweak the prompt to ask for a cinematic camera pan to get a consistent high-end look for all my assets. Once I have images I like, I bring them into Recraft, which is awesome for precise logo placement. The tool analyzes the object surfaces and wraps the logo around curves so it looks like it was actually printed or painted on the product. You can tweak the size, rotation, and placement until it feels perfectly natural, whatever reads best for the camera angle. Export those as high-quality PNGs or short mockup animations to get ready for the next step. Next, I take those static mockups and feed them back into an animation tool to add subtle camera moves like slow pans or zooms. You end up with a few short clips that look cinematic, which is exactly what you need for a hero background on your website. Now here is where people often get stuck. They have these beautiful clips, but a longer walkthrough video where they talk about their product features. Editing that long video into dozens of snackable, viral-ready clips manually is incredibly tedious and time-consuming. Cutting, captioning, and formatting for different platforms takes hours that most of us just don't have. This is the point. Most creators either outsource for huge money or just post inconsistently, which is bad for growth. Enter Vizard, which is designed for automatic editing of long-form content. You upload your longer video, say a 20-minute product walkthrough, and Vizard analyzes it to detect the high engagement moments. The magic is that it doesn't just make random cuts. It identifies highlights, transcribes, and applies smart captions automatically. So while your other clips give you glossy hero footage, Vizard turns your long-form content into a stream of social clips that drive traffic. Beyond that, Vizard has two features I rely on heavily: auto-scheduling and a full content calendar. You can set how often you want posts to go live, and it will publish them automatically without you lifting a finger. You can see, edit, and manage every single clip in one place, tweaking captions and hashtags before they go live. Compared to juggling spreadsheets, folder chaos, or hiring an editor every week, it is a total night and day difference. Midjourney and Recraft are fantastic for visuals, but they are not a one-stop content pipeline on their own. That is why combining them with Vizard is the ultimate sweet spot for a professional workflow. Let me give you an example workflow for a big product launch. Create a long demo video that walks through your product benefits, then import that long demo into Vizard. Vizard will auto-detect highlights, maybe a punchy feature reveal or a customer testimonial, and render those into short clips. It even handles the different aspect ratios for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels automatically. Then take those cinematic mockups you made and use those as hero backgrounds on your website. The result is that your website feels premium, and your socials stay consistently active without extra work. One more practical tip: be intentional with your long video. It gets better when you give it clean signals like clear chapter points. Say what you want people to remember in short declarative sound bites, like describing specific features. Also, keep B-roll footage handy, because a few well-shot clips make your content look truly pro. I also want to touch on pricing and fit, because some creators prefer doing everything inside a single tool, but that often means sacrificing efficiency. Vizard sits in this middle lane as an editing and publishing assistant that helps you scale. It is especially good for creators who produce long-form content regularly, like podcasters or educators. If you are curious about community feedback or want to learn faster, I hang out with other creators in a Discord where we share techniques. Seeing how others pair visuals with clips helped me refine my own pacing and thumbnail style. To wrap up, you do not need a studio to create high-end branded assets. Use the right tools to build your identity, and use automation to extract value from your long-form content. This combo gets you a premium-looking website, a steady stream of social posts, and a calendar you can manage without burnout. If you want, I can walk through a live example next, from generating mockups to scheduling posts for a month. Let me know in the comments, and I will make that step-by-step tutorial for you. Thanks for watching, hope this helps, and I will see you next time. Goodbye!